So you want to learn how to screen record your PC desktop? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it for free. Okay guys, welcome back to another tutorial Friday. Today I'm going to show you how to screen record your PC, Windows, desktop for free. So right now I'm recording my screen with a software called ScreenRec, which is free also. But I do not recommend that one because it does not screen record in high definition. It looks blurry and stuff. So the first thing you want to do is hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and hit the notification button if you like these videos and you want to get notified when I have new videos coming up. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to this website, ScreenRec. It's a totally free software, ScreenRec. You go ahead, click download, and then you're gonna come down here to where it says get ScreenRec for free. Who does not like free and high quality? Download it. You're gonna open it up and you're gonna install it. I'm not gonna install it because I've already installed it in my computer. Okay, so once that's there, I'm gonna quit this. It's already installed on my computer, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the software, ScreenRec. And you get this little bar here to the right. You're gonna click the settings, and then here you have your inputs. Here you have your input. Here you have your input. Here you have your microphone input device options. You're gonna click on that, and depending on what microphone you have on your computer, is gonna come out here. And this is if you want to record directly to the software. I don't recommend it. I recorded it before. I didn't like how it sounds, so I just rather record externally. Okay, and this is for the camera input device. If you're gonna use some type of, webcam, so you can record yourself at the same time that you're recording in your screen or on your screen. Jesus Christ. Record system audio. This is where you'll click it if you want to record your system audio. And here's the important part. Recording quality. You got SD, HD, 4K. I have it set it on HD. That's how I upload my videos. I'm not uploading 4K. Then you have your shortcut. You can change this to whatever shortcut you want for the start and stop of the screen record. And then instant share link. What this is gonna do once it's finished recording is gonna generate a share link if you wanna share it with other people, or let's say it's a game that you're recording and you wanna share it with somebody else. And use a proxy server if you wanna upload it to a server, I guess. I don't use that option. And update app. Right here on the bar to the right, you got your camera and your camcorder. Hit start, and what you wanna do is drag the screen that you want to record. If you want to record everything, you just drag. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag this to record. So right now it's recording. So I'm gonna stop the other one. So this is how you screen record for free on your desktop. If you want to record your game, if you want to record a tutorial like I'm doing, this is the way I do it. And then once you finish that, you just export it and import it to whatever video software you're using, whether it be Premiere, DaVinci, or Filmora. You get the picture. Guys, if you like this video, if it helped you out, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I have new videos. Until next time.
And then in the last minute, the video.